Я Батурова Виктория Геннадьевна, Московская область, город Коломна, произведение Гоголя «Вечера на хуторе, близ Диканьки».
What put it into fox has to spread it abroad that I'm pretty, she said as it were without thinking, simply to talk to herself about something. Fox lie, I'm not pretty at all. But the fresh living face reflected in the looking glass in its childish youthfulness with its sparkling black eyes and inexpressibly charming smile that stirred the soul at once proved the contrary. Can my black eyebrows and my eyes, the beauty went on, still holding the mirror, be so beautiful that there are none like them in the world? What is there pretty in the turned up nose, and in the cheeks, and the lips? Is my black hair pretty? Oh, my curls might frighten one in the evening. They twist and twine round my head like long snakes. I see now that I am not pretty at all. And moving the looking glass a little further away, she cried out, "No, I'm pretty! Oh, how pretty! Wonderful! What a joy I shall be to the man whose wife I become! How my husband will admire me! He'll be wild with joy, he'll kiss me to death." "Wonderful girl," whispered the blacksmith, calmly and softly. "And hasn't she a little conceit? She's been standing looking in the mirror for an hour, and can't tear herself away, and praising herself loud too. Yes, lads, I am a match for you. Just look at me." The pretty coquette went on. "How gracefully I step! My shift is embroidered with red silk, and the ribbons on my head, you will never see richer braid. My father bought me all this, that the finest young man in the world may marry me." And laughing, she turned round and saw the blacksmith.